Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this particular tutorial I'll be explaining to you how you can create colors and mix them up for your designs. I'm Kayode Leke and I would like you to subscribe to this channel as videos will be uploaded weekly so you can get notification whenever a new tutorial is being uploaded. So basically what we are doing today is color wheel. This is Adobe color wheel, and how you can actually fix this is easy, very easy. Now first of all, what you need to do is go to this link, check the description below, and you will see this link. The first kind of color mixage we have here is analogous. So if you click analogous here, you have the colors are analogous that you can mix together. Now each of these circles here are adjustments that you can move around. So if you move them around this way, you see that the color palette below tends to take the color of the particular circle that you're moving around. So as I'm moving this, it's adjusting the other ones alongside with my movement. So you can see the color palettes below. You can see that they are moving around. So you can actually do this in your own spare time. You could check the analogous, check the monochromatic, the triad, the complementary. They are all different form of color mixing. The analogous colors, monochromatic colors. Monochromatic basically is the same color but different shades, like this different percentage of a particular color. Then another thing that I needed to know is, if you click below here, if you come down below here, you realize that you can see the color codes. You can see each of these arrows here, each of these circles, represent each of these color palettes here, and each of these color palettes have their own color code here. So each of these color code is what you will need to copy and put in your Photoshop software or wherever you want to use the color. So after you're done mixing your colors here with respect to these different color mixtures here, and you're okay with what you have, you can see that even below you can even alter the concentration of the red, the green, the blue. You can see that they all have different shades. You can alter them as it suits you. So this will help you, most especially if you're actually doing a logo design, maybe for a brand. You could actually, and you need maybe 2 or 3 colors that will blend together. You can always use this to mix the colors first of all, so you don't actually work from your head. This is actually an app that can actually help you to get things easily. Now, so once you're done, what you need to do is just, like I said, just click here. Let me copy this yellow. You copy the color code, you right click, you click copy, then you go to your software, which is Photoshop. You open it up. Now in my Photoshop here, I've already created this rectangle and it's having color green. So imagine if I want to actually change the color of this object. What do I need to do? Simple. I just double click on it here, then the color that I've copied right here, I right click and I paste. You can see automatically it takes the color, then you click OK. Now you can, this is your foreground color, this white here, and this orange here is your background color. If peradventure you want to change any of these colors, what you need to do is just to click on it and do the same thing. You paste it here, and that you can see it's yellow. So the same thing for, let's do for this blue. Let's do the same thing for this blue. Copy and come to here. Then let's click on this orange. Let's change the color. Then click paste and click OK. So with that, let me create a new layer here. Okay, let me drag it below the rectangle. Then I will use the paint bucket to paint this new layer I created to this color blue. So for that to occur, I need to make this color blue the foreground. So you click this arrow here, then you now select your new layer that I created that you want to paint blue. Then you put your paint bucket on that empty layer, then you click, you can see it turns blue. So basically this is how you could actually mix one or two colors together without you working with your head from your head. So to me it's a better practice, and it makes things much easier. So hit the subscribe button and like this video and share with your friends. Thank you. See you later.